All right, we're going.
So hopefully you could mount these pendulums like this. Now, when you look here at this tape, you might not notice, but I tried to make sure the tape is not grinding against the bearing itself, right? So it's used basically as a stopper to prevent lateral motion here, and there's a little bit of play in there. And now, as you see this, when I hold it, it's pretty close to frictionless. And you can tell that by how high it goes on the other side. This is as good as we're going to get. It goes almost all the way up. And in theory, my thought was maybe you could add this hockey puck on here if you really needed to at different spots. I don't know how well this will hold. This is my first time trying it. Whoops, this is a terrible tape job. But let's just see. Ready? Here we go. So you can see it's a little bit wonky. Maybe if you spent more time on it, it could be stable, but it's always going to be a little wonky. Don't try to be perfect. Try to get it done.